Welcome to my channel Travel Guide Airbus A350 Stretch, to launch or not. The Airbus A350 family has redefined long-haul efficiency since its 2015 debut, with over 1,400 orders and 675 deliveries by late 2025, blending composite airframes and Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines for 25% fuel savings over predecessors. Amid Boeing's 777X delays and Emirates' push for larger twins, speculation swirls around an A350 stretch, a potential A350-2000 extending the 1000 variant by 3-4 meters for 40 more seats. Dubbed a natural evolution by CEO Guillaume Faury, it's eyed to rival the 426-seat 777-9 without reviving the A380. At the 2025 Dubai Air Show, Airbus confirmed studies, but no firm commitment. Below are 10 key points on its prospective launch. Historical roots of the stretch concept. The A350 stretch idea dates to the mid-2010s, when Airbus consolidated the family into 900 and 1000 variants, scrapping the shorter 800. Initially pitched as a 400-plus seat option to bridge the A380 gap, it was shelved amid A380 production hopes. By 2019, Airbus eyed a decision by year-end but prioritized certification. Variants. Scrapping the shorter revived in 2025, it's now framed as a response to post-pandemic demand for high-capacity twins. Current A350-1000 is foundation. The 1000, a 7-meter stretch over the 900, seats 350,410 in 3-class configs with a 322-ton MTOW and 8,700 nanometers range. Powered by uprated Trent XWB 97s, 97,000 lbf thrust, it's delivered 101 units by September 2025, including to Qatar, launch customer since 2018, and Etihad, 6th in April. This baseline enables minimal redesign for further extension, leveraging 53% composites for lightweight growth. Proposed A350-2000 specs. Envisioned as a 350-2000, the stretch adds 4 rows, 3.24 meters fuselage plug, for 390,450 seats, targeting 10 abreast economy like the 777-9. MTOW could hit 330,340 tons, with range dipping to 7,500-8,000 nanometers due to thrust limits, adequate for dense routes like Dubai-London. It retains the 1000's 11.5 meters cabin width but boosts volume for premium density, per Airbus sketches. Engine challenges and solutions. The Trent XWB 97's thrust ceiling poses hurdles. A stretched model risks range loss in hot, high ops like Dubai summers. Airbus insists a more powerful variant suffices, avoiding full redesign, unlike Boeing's GE9X for 777X. Rolls-Royce is adapting for Gulf wear, with Emirates citing faster engine degradation. CEO Christian Shearer downplays, "We don't need Auckland-London every day." Market demand drivers. Airlines crave capacity amid slot-constrained hubs. Emirates, with 116 A380s retiring, seeks 500-seat twins but settled for 65 777-9s in 2025, pressing for a 777-10. Airbus sees interest everywhere, from Gulf carriers to Asian hubs. Post-COVID recovery. 1.3 billion passengers in 2024. Fuels 145 A350F freighter forecasts, spilling to passenger needs for e-commerce booms and tourism. Competitive edge versus Boeing. The 1000 certification gives Airbus a head start. A stretch could enter service by 2030-32, pre-empting 777X delays, now 2027. It offers 10% lower trip costs and 5% better seat mile economics than 777-9, per analyses, without Boeing's folding wing complexity. Yet, Emirates' 2023 snub of 1000s for engine issues highlights risks. Airbus must prove reliability. Recent orders fueling speculation. A350 family hit 1,445 gross orders by September 2025, with 770 backlog. Key 1,000 wins. Etihad's 7 more, total 27, deliveries from 2027, undisclosed August order for 7. Indigo's 30,900s in October. Emirates added 8 900s, total 73, deliveries 2031, hinting at stretch weight. Qantas 1,000 ULRs, 238-seat premium for 2027 Project Sunrise, showcase adaptability. Development timeline and hurdles. No launch date. Shearer cites resource phasing post-ULR, flight tests June 2025, and A350F, ICE 2028. Studies target 2026 decision, needing 50,100 orders for viability, $2 3B program. Supply chains. Still COVID-scarred, delay ramps. Airbus eyes 12 per month by 2028 but prioritizes A320neo. Certification could take 3-4 years, faster as a derivative. Sustainability and economic perks. Like the family, the stretch promises 50% noise cuts and SAF compatibility, aiding net zero goals. 20% lower CO2 versus A380-777,300 suits ESG mandates. Operators gain fleet commonality, 90% parts shared, slashing training costs. For lessors like Air Lease Corp, now A350F focused post-2025 cancellation. It opens high-yield leases on premium routes. Launch likelihood and future impact. Odds favor yes by 2027, Perfories, long-term option, T's, countering Boeing's monopoly in 400-plus seats. If greenlit, it cements A350 as Airbus cash cow, 99.3% reliability, 464 passengers flown. Without, Airbus risks losing Gulf mega orders to 777X. Either way, it signals twin-engine dominance, shrinking quadjet's role. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.